Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to change oil on a Ford Fusion. First, park your vehicle on a level surface and allow the engine to cool for at least 15 minutes. Gather all your necessary tools, including a 13mm wrench, an oil filter wrench, and a drain pan. Make sure you have 7 quarts of the correct 5W20 synthetic blend motor oil and a new oil filter. Safety first, so wear gloves and eye protection. Now it's time to drain the old oil. Safely lift the front of your car using a jack and secure it with jack stands. Locate the oil drain plug on the bottom of the oil pan and place your drain pan directly underneath it. Using a 13mm wrench, carefully loosen and remove the drain plug. Let the old oil drain completely, which usually takes about 10 to 15 minutes. Once the oil has drained, replace the drain plug with a new washer and tighten it securely. Next, locate the old oil filter, usually near the front of the engine. Use an oil filter wrench to remove it, being careful of any residual oil. Apply a thin film of new oil to the gasket of your new filter before screwing it on hand tight. Finally, add 7 quarts of fresh 5W20 motor oil through the oil fill cap. After adding the new oil, replace the oil fill cap. Start your engine and let it run for about 30 seconds to circulate the new oil, then check for any leaks around the drain plug and filter. Turn off the engine, wait 5 minutes for the oil to settle, and then check the oil level using the dipstick. Top off if needed. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Properly dispose of the old oil at a recycling center.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.